Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Anthony, the anchor man for First Aid Immigrant Solution. I beg, in case if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, First Aid Immigrant Solution, I beg wanna go subscribe. Wanna just hit the subscribe and the go way dey the way so that anytime where I come live, go dey give una notification. So the topic will make me come today, come see say me I can't drop am. I say me I use this media to congratulate the Prime Minister of London, say he wife don born boy. Congratulations, sir. So for those people wey wan enroll their pikin for school, na make me come this morning. If you know say you dey Bologna or Bologna and environ, you wan enroll your pikin for school wey dem dey call KG or nursery school. So this one na the opportunity because of say the form they don open am for online day before yesterday wey be 27th of April 2020, and the form go last till May 20. So May 20 the year 2020 na the form go last. So they only get 3 weeks wey you fit apply. If you know say your pikin dey born am from the month or the year wey be January 1st 2018 till December 2019 wey you fit apply for this enrollment wey I dey talk so from January 1st 2018 to December 2019. If you born your pikin for those period, una fit apply for kindergarten or nursery school. So for small pikin, medium or big wey dey the age less than 3 years go fit apply. So those form wey you wan apply, you fit fill am yourself. If you no fit fill am yourself, you fit still look for those people wey go fit help you after this on the 4 wey they wan open everywhere. And to do the filling, you make sure say you get federal. These are credentials or speed, and that one they take dey fill am. If you say you no see dey enroll for a new intake, or you wan see transfer based on say you don change house, you wan see transfer your pikin to another school wey you no like the school wey you first dey go before, you fit still use this opportunity to do the transfer. And if you do all these things, so you fit still apply. But what of those people wey your newborn pikin wey dem dey call omomo? If you know say you newborn pikin or you newborn child or you newborn kid or if you newborn anything wey you know say you born for this period of time, and you know say you get intention to go back to work anytime wey they open this lockdown, so this one I see the opportunity. Pikin wey they born wey dey from 0 or wey they never still born till 31st of May 2020, una fit still apply so that by September when school go resume, so they'll still take those people wey still dey drink breast, so they'll still get their own category of class so that their mama or their papa fit do work, make dem still take carry money come house. And may you still not forget, after you don do this enrollment finish and all these things, they'll still send una email and all those things wey dem take process am. So make sure say una know the date wey the school wan start. The enrollment don already start from April 27 till May 2020, which is May 20 na the thing go end in the year 2020. So mona run, mona go do this online, mona make sure say the time no elapse, the times no come expire before una know say they don start enrollment because of this coronavirus. Because this brain no dey think well again because of say people don too stay house, and make me say may I quick still drop this story. So for my next video, I will still try me I still talk on the money wey government dey talk say they want to help pikin wey you know say dey the age of 14 years down. They say they want to give parental leave money wey they still dey call pocket money, wey you still dey at least still dey arrange yourself till they take off the family. So the money na for the children or not be for parents, you understand? But those pikin money, I say I go talk if they don still talk am. I say may I first give una these things, may I first take shook una. When I not forget now, this channel now for see they drop everything wey see dey happen for around Bologna, Italy or around Europe. Una not forget to subscribe First Aid Immigrant Solution. Una bye bye.